We're leaving the room again, going to the Magic Kingdom.
We're gonna get some breakfast and then head on to Disney.
That's right. Gotta get breakfast and head on to Disney. I got on my Vader mask again.
And I got on my Vader mask again.
And these
And my mom and dad, that was Minecraft. They just got me this new Minecraft book.
Huh?
And they just got me this new Minecraft
Let me
book.
see, show it to them.
It's a new Minecraft site my mom and dad just got me.
Wow.
And it teaches you the ABCs and all the Minecraft codes.
All right, so we'll be with you here shortly. Here it is, front gate. Can you scan my band, I guess?
Isaac thought the camera was going dead. Yeah, because it went gray for a second. And I was like, we're going dead. Isaac's over here got the song stuck in his head. We just wrote it yesterday. We just wrote Imagination at Epcot yesterday, and now the song is fucking stuck in my head.
All right, we're on the bus. We're on the bus going to the Magic Kingdom. We're going to the Magic Kingdom on the bus. There's Christy. So if you need a wheelchair to get to the Magic Kingdom on a bus, they will put it on the bus and bring you over here. So that's a blessing. But Disney goes out of the way always to try to accommodate you, I'm sure. They always have for us, so they do it for everybody. But we're on the way to the Magic Kingdom. There's the Contemporary. Isn't that the Contemporary right there? Huh? That's the Contemporary. Oh, we're going under the bridge. Look at it. I don't think I've ever been on a bus to the Magic Kingdom yet. We usually ride on the monorail or the ferry. One of the other. Never ridden on the bus yet. How about you, Isaac? Nope. I didn't think so, because you come with me, so I didn't think you came over here by yourself, did you? Nope. All right, we're here. This is the spot where they just dropped us off here on the bus. I've never been on the bus before. And this is the tram tracks here, right above our head. I've seen this, you know, never have ridden the bus though over to the Magic Kingdom until this morning. But it was pretty neat because they were able to accommodate the wheelchair for my wife. That makes me happy because she doesn't have to hurt as much walking, because like I said, her knees are pretty bad. She got in a wreck last year, got hit, smashed in, and bad situation. But anyway, thank God they were able to help us this morning get over here. A lot easier, and she didn't have to do so much walking at all. They just put the chair right in the bus and brought us right on over. What do you think, Isaac?
The Toy Story bus.
The Toy Story bus, he said. That's the one we were in, right over there. He remembers. I think he's right. Yeah. But this is all the...
Oh wait, it's all the Pandora.
Yeah. This is all the stuff here. The gardens out front, of course, always look so nice. And well, they need a little trim now, but I saw the crews out early this morning trimming bushes, so they're making the rounds. But it looks nice still. But we're coming up to the gate. And we'll see you when we get inside. Wow, all the princesses and the fairy godmothers up there. That's Sleeping Beauty and Tiana and the fairy godmother, and that's Ariel and Jasmine. Wow, here comes Tinkerbell riding on the... Wow, look at that. She's riding on the treasure. She's keeping hold of all the money. All right, we stopped by the world famous Starbucks here on Main Street. And
we just called the
Mandy, what did you get?
We just heard the singing cake for Haunted Mansion.
Mocha Frappuccino.
I got the salted caramel. Salted caramel mocha.
And I got the caramel macchiato. I think, hold on. No, you did not get the cinnamon roll. We all got the cinnamon roll because Dad has not eaten breakfast yet. Isaac's already trying to steal the whole cinnamon roll. But here is the cinnamon roll in there. Look at that. Here. Here, let's open it up, Mom, from the top there. Just rip the sides one. So we can see it without picking it up. That's why I said rip it down the side. Oh, there we go. There it is. Look at that.
Why don't we keep these?
It's the Mickey.
Why don't we keep these, Dad?
Here, the Mickey muffin. You can have the ear, Isaac. There you go. That's yours. All yours. Here, Mandy. They had breakfast this morning. So,
And you two can split the big Mickey.
Mom and Dad are splitting. Go ahead. Pretty good for a cinnamon roll.
I love it.
It's huge.
Dad, why don't we keep these coffee stoves? Why don't we keep these coffee stoves?
In there. Cinderella's castle with the new paint on it. New purple. It looks kind of purple. I don't know what its actual color is, but
Looks blue to me. No, they repainted kind of blue. No, they repainted it purple and pink. No, they repainted it purple and pink.
well,
But it looks like different colors. But it's actually purple and pink. I'll have it.
Good, huh, Mom? Mom's happy
Well,
she got some
we
coffee.
swallowed it whole because I was starving. I think I almost ate one of my fingers off.
Thumbs
And
up on
my-
the coffee.
I got the coffee, of course, is Starbucks, so we know it's gonna be good. Thumbs up on the cinnamon roll, Isaac said. He's still enjoying his Mickey ear. He's actually eating one of Mickey's ears. Oh my gosh. Don't wipe your hands. Not on your shirt. What do you think, Isaac? Look, somebody wrote in the sky, "Hi, Mickey." Hey, Mickey. There's there's the castle. All right, we are in Buzz Lightyear's ride here. What's it called again?
Buzz Lightyear Space Ranger Adventure.
Space Ranger Adventure. Hold on, Isaac.
You want to ride in the chair? Okay, so follow me. Pardon? Sure, no. Follow me.
Here we go. We are inside, coming up on the loading platform. Here we are, coming through the back route. This is how you get on when you have a wheelchair.
And it'll be waiting for you when you get off the ride. Now just watch
Always
this step
take
here.
care of All right, who's riding with who? All right. I'm riding with my wife, it looks like. There's Mandy and Isaac. Oh, and we are listening to the You Got a Friend Indeed. I see you guys. Woo! Here we go. All right, you steer us, Christy. That's the steer. Back and forth. Back and forth. There we go. See you later. All right. Christy's gonna steer us around here. Woo, we're inside Buzz Lightyear's. I can't see where I'm shooting it off. I don't know. Oh, there we go. Turn us that way where I can get something. Oh, I can't get anything. I think I'm not very good at it. I have 700. It's really hard. You don't. Just got to figure it out. Oh, I got him. I'm getting the hang of it now. I got some points racking up here. Oh, now I'm confused again. I don't know. Somehow we have 31,000 points. There we go. Just hit the little targets. Oh yeah, I'm hitting them. I thought. All right. See, I can't see where I'm. You're getting points. I don't know what's happening. Oh. Oh. All right.
Nothing's happening.
Well, it's 'cause we gotta hit the targets. There's no more targets. I don't know what I've been filming. I have no clue what I've been filming. I don't even know. We're going in the dark. What's going on? Somehow I have 42,400 points. Christy has 17,600. I don't know what's going on. I'm gonna have to steer us back around.
Concentrating firepower and serving secret Which one? How it sells for transport.
Doesn't move anymore. Oh my gosh, that's it. Joysticks are disabled. We lost. No, no, we're always a winner at Disney. You're always a winner at Disney. You got a friend and me. No, I got 73,000. You got 18. Oh, it's gone now. Who knows? Oh, well, that was Buzz Lightyear's